This is part 3 of modifying an E-trike for Maddie. I'm using an old safety swing that I built for the outdoor swing set we have to kind of measure how big of a seat I had to build. The front wheels of the tricycle are set a certain distance apart, but when they turn, they actually end up hitting the side of this swing. So I had to measure exactly how much the maximum angle was. Also, she does really well leaning backward. Sometimes she takes naps, so I wanted to also see how far back we could build the angle in order to not hit the handlebars. So this is me just jiggling this thing back and forth and trying to see how big I could make it and how reclined I could make it. Hello. Took off the wire basket and ready to build the base mounted on these blocks here.